This is problem number 7 on the practice problems for quest number 1. A pharmacist is mixing a prescription in which 25 milligrams of medication is dissolved in 150 milliliters of solution. How many milliliters of medication will she need to prepare for 10 milligrams of the medication? So hopefully you feel that there's some ratio or proportion going on here. And even if you can solve this one in your head, I feel like you should make sure you can also do it the ratio proportion way, because there are going to be plenty of problems that are so tough that you can't do them in your head. So let's make sure we're good at setting things up at this stage. So I've got 25 milligrams of medication for every 150 milliliters of solution. How did I know to put it in this order? Well, it doesn't matter. If you flip that fraction over, that's totally fine. But the point here is that if you make sure you're consistent and you put the units in exactly the same spot in both fractions, we should be able to get an answer to this problem. So the 10 in this problem is 10 milligrams. Where does that go? It goes next to the mg, which in my fraction is up on top. And then how many milliliters do I want? That's what we're after. We'll call it x. So if the phrase cross multiply means something to you, then go ahead and do it now. If not, we're going to copy this as it is, 25 over 150. I'm going to stop writing the units because I've already got the thing set up. So certainly you're welcome to reduce the 25 over 150. That would make the number smaller, which is a good thing. But in case you don't see that, I'll leave it just like it is, and we're going to multiply both sides by both denominators. So multiply here by 150 and x, and do exactly the same thing over here, multiplying both sides by both denominators. And then we cancel. The 150s go away on the left, the x's go away on the right, and then I'll copy down what's left. Here we have x times 25, or 25x, is equal to 150 times 10, which is 1500. And again, if cross multiplying means something to you, then you would have been able to skip that intermediate step. Either way, we should get down to that bottom equation, and then we'd divide both sides by 25. And 1500 divided by 25 is 60. 60 what? Let's see, we'll go back up. What's sitting right next to the x is milliliters. So that must be what the 60 is measured in. 60 milliliters of solution.